Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to go through our July new products video. Our first new product are these floor pans here. These are for the 2004 to 2008 F-150 Ford. These are replacement floorboards. These are made in Taiwan, 20 gauge steel, got a coating on the metal. What's nice about these are basically the exact reproduction of original. Got the body mount hole here, drain hole here. Got all the ribbing in it, give it strength and support. Really nice piece. We have drivers and passenger, or we also sell them in pairs. So brand new for the 2004 to 2008 F-150 are these replacement floorboards. And our next product is this transmission shift cable. This is the automatic transmission shift cable. This fits the 92 to 96 Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. Complete unit, ready to go. Take it out of the bag, plug it in. Got the hook to your column, hooks to the, got the grommet for the firewall, feed it on down to the transmission, hook it to the bracket, hook it to the transmission, and you're ready to go. It's a complete unit, brand new, sells for around $30 for the 92 to 96 Bronco. Also fits the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. Our next new product is this brake and clutch pedal assembly. This is an OEM unit. This fits the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. What's nice about this is a complete unit. Has everything all ready to go. It's got the clutch pedal, the spring on it, got the brake pedal ready to go, all brand new bushings, brand new bracket, got the studs on it. Hardest part of the job on this is getting the old one out, put this new one in, bolt it in place. Brand new for the 92 to 96 Bronco and the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup. And for our July web truck of the month, we're going to feature my white 66 Roadster. Just want to let you know we've added another section to our online catalog. We're listing all the used parts we have. If you're interested, take a look. I want to thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month. This is my Wimbledon white 1966 Bronco Roadster. This is a September truck, second month production, 1965. I've had it for like 12 or 13 years. I bought it from a guy in Talladega, Alabama. Originally, after Ford produced it, it went to the Talladega Ford dealer. It was on his lot there. He couldn't sell it because it didn't have a top or doors on it. Nobody wanted it. So he took it to his dairy farm, and that's where it remained. It was like a work truck there. It's only got 32,000 miles on it, but I had pictures of it. It looked really good in the pictures, but you never know. On a dairy farm, what do you have? You have fertilizer, then you have cow waste, which really eats into the sheet metal. So when I got it here, I took a look at it. It was, somebody had did a restoration on it. It was pretty much hacked, what I could tell. So basically, I start stripping the stuff off of it, and lo and behold, we had to cake the body and cut it behind the doorpost. So we replaced all that sheet metal there. I put new fenders on the front and a new hood. The rest of the stuff was pretty good, really good shape. So we left all that in there. So I put my body man on that, and he started on that. So I started on the drivetrain. So first thing I know, it ran, but it had the wrong motor in it. It had like a 240 6-cylinder in it. So I had a 170, I had it rebuilt, painted the right color, same year and everything, put it in there. My guy rebuilt the transmission transfer case, put all new clutch in it, went through the axles, sandblasted the frame, put all new springs and shocks, everything brand new on it. It's all rebuilt, the drivetrain, it's all brand new. Rebuilt the steering box. So then I reassembled it after the body man got it done, which was pretty simple. It was a basic truck from the factory. It was pretty, the only option on it was the chrome bumpers, and it had a dash pad in it. That was the only two options it had. So it was pretty much limited on what options it had. So once we got it back together, start driving, it was a dream. We used this truck as the lead truck, and when we did Bronco Rama years ago, 4 or 5 times we did the Bronco Cruise on Friday night, and this was the lead truck. Everybody loved it. It's one of my favorite Broncos I own. It's really easy to drive. Doesn't hardly weigh anything, so the steering and brakes work great on it. Like I said, total restoration on it, basically replaced everything. Was able to keep the eyebrow grill for 66, which is one of the first 3,000 trucks. Found a 66 tailgate with the correct body line on it, put that on there. Had the wrong seats in it. I had some seats, had them redone, put them in there. So basically it's pretty close to stock as I could get. Like I said, it's one of my favorite Broncos, my white 66 Bronco Roadster.